Gwinnett County 911, what's the location of the emergency?
Yes, please send someone to the house. My children are trying to kill me.
Okay, what do you mean that your children are trying to kill you?
They've attacked me and my husband. They drugged us with Xanax. They've attacked us. And they're trying to kill us.
Okay, so phone me.
My husband has distracted them, and I was just able to get to the phone. Please hurry.
Just down the phone with me, okay?
Please.
And you said your husband has restrained them?
He's distracted them so I could get to the phone. Please hurry, please.
Just down the phone with me. How old are the children?
They're 22 and 17. Please.
Okay, how did they try and kill you, ma'am?
They're trying to strangle us and shoot us, and they put Xanax in our food, and they thought we were asleep. They tried to attack us. They beat me up. They beat him up. They're trying to kill us. Please.
Okay, your children are 17 and 22?
Yes.
Okay.
Please hurry. Please hurry.
Okay. And where are they at now, ma'am?
They're in the house. They're trying to attack my husband. He's made it to the garage and he's just trying to blow the horn to distract, get our neighbor's attention. And I was able to get up to the phone and call you. But please hurry, please.
All right, ma'am. Now, what's your name?
Yvonne Erwin.
Yvonne Erwin?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Please.
And they still blowing the horn?
He's in the garage, just trying to. He was able to get away from him. He's just trying to do what he can to get attention to the house. But please, they strangled me and beat me.
They strangled you and beat you?
Yes. Their names are Chris and Cameron Erwin.
Their name are what?
Chris and Cameron Erwin. 17 and 22 years old.
Okay.
Please send someone out as quick as possible, please.